Welcome to The Right Question. I'm Daphne Gray Grant. Today I'm talking about how to make a business case for a book. I have a question from Pranav Bhatnagar, who's based in New Delhi, India. Here's what he's asked. I have just finished writing a memoir and am now preparing a book proposal for it. Could you please give me some pointers on how I can build a compelling business case for the book? Thanks for the question, Pranav. You're very wise to approach the building of your business case very carefully. It's extremely hard to get a publishing deal these days, and if you don't have a strong business case, you won't get anywhere. Keep in mind that memoirs are in a special category of themselves. Agents and publishers will be looking for outstanding writing and an unusual story, but most of all, they'll want to know that you have the beginnings of a platform, which is to say, plenty of readers for your book. So here's where it gets interesting and perhaps a little counterintuitive. Your business case should focus less on how many people might be interested in reading your book and more on how many people are already reading you. Here are some questions you should address as part of your business case. Do you have a blog? How many unique visitors do you get each month? Google Analytics can give you this information, by the way. Do you ever do guest posts on other blogs? How often? How well known are these blogs? Do you have a large number of Twitter followers? How often do you tweet each day? How big is your LinkedIn network? Do you ever speak at conferences or workshops? And if so, how many people typically attend? Do you see the issue here? Many new authors typically try to pitch on how many readers are interested in their subject area. For example, someone writing a book about cycling might want to say that bicycle sales in the US have gone up from 51 million in 2012 to 66 million in 2017. But no publisher is going to imagine that they could sell even a small fraction of that audience, unless the author, of course, is Stephen King. You need to understand that the vast majority of books don't make a penny for their publishers. Instead, publishers are kept alive by the small handful of best-selling authors in their stables, the Stephen Kings, the Margaret Atwoods, the J.K. Rowlings. But publishers also need to take a chance on a small number of new authors in the hopes of finding another best-selling writer. And to be one of those people, you need to have a significant readership elsewhere, whether that's on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or wherever. That is your business case. If this requirement is too discouraging for you, Pranav, I encourage you to think about self-publishing. I'm including a link below to a previous video I've done on that topic. Finally, let me wrap up with a quote from the ultra-successful best-selling author Seth Godin. "The future of publishing is about having connections to readers and the knowledge of what those readers want." Thanks for the question, Pranav. It's hard to get publishing deals these days, and to do it, you need to be able to make a compelling business case.